Best practices for responsible AI use. Learn about the AI before you use it. Before using an AI tool, take time to understand it, where its data comes from, when it was last updated, how it uses your data, and how open it is about its practices. Always review AI-generated content for accuracy and bias, and use AI to assist, not replace, human judgment. Be open about using AI, as you would when citing other sources, and keep in mind the environmental impact of AI. Check sections like transparency, compliance, or privacy on the provider's website. Choose the appropriate email account. If you're using your organization's email, make sure it follows policy. Otherwise, use a personal account. Never upload confidential or internal information, such as personal, financial, or organizational data. And don't sign up for, install, or approve third-party AI tools without appropriate authorization. Platform note disclaimer. The links below lead to external AI platforms that may change over time. Always review the latest information and policies on each site before use.